Are you using mySolarEdge to maximize your household electricity savings? Watch this tutorial video to make sure you're not missing a beat. When connected to a SolarEdge energy meter, mySolarEdge provides invaluable insight into your daily energy consumption patterns. This information can have huge implications for your bill savings. Let's look at the typical energy usage of a family with small children. As you'd expect, their peak consumption is in the morning before school and work, and again in the evening as the family returns home. The rest of the time, when there's nobody at home, household consumption is low. By comparing this consumption profile with the daily consumption graph, you can identify and then investigate any unexpected usage patterns that may be limiting your electricity savings. Use yesterday's maximum consumption level, or the weekly and monthly views, to identify unusually high consumption. If you've spotted anything unusual, this could indicate that home appliances, such as the boiler or pool cleaner, are operating when they shouldn't be, or that they're major energy consumers that should be replaced with newer, more energy-efficient models. Another easy way to maximize your savings and pay less for your utility is by using mySolarEdge to help shift your consumption to match your peak solar production. This means running high-consuming appliances, such as the EV charger or boiler, during the middle of the day, whenever possible. Switch from the split graph view and merge the production and consumption graphs to conveniently view all the data together. In this graph, you can see high morning and evening energy consumption when there's zero or low solar production. Be smart and plan your day by shifting this consumption to when it can be powered by the sun for free. If you own a battery, you can further extend your solar energy usage rather than paying the utility to power your home. Gain deeper insight using the split graph view. When you see high grid export levels in the production graph, it's a good indication that at these times of day, you have enough excess solar production to power an increase in your household consumption. Using mySolarEdge's energy balance charts, you get yet another perspective on how much electricity you're actually consuming from the grid. The consumption chart clearly breaks it all down for you, showing how much of your electricity usage comes directly from solar production, battery storage, grid import, and what is your self-consumption percentage out of your total consumption. You can view this data from daily up to yearly data ranges, or according to your specific billing period. If you have connected SolarEdge's smart energy devices, then improve your energy efficiency even more using mySolarEdge's smart scheduling features. Conveniently schedule devices to operate when solar production is high. Use the sunshine to heat your water, power your pool pump, or charge your EV during the day when there's lots of excess solar power. Only consume grid electricity in the evening if you must. mySolarEdge can also recommend when is the right time to expand your battery storage or number of smart energy devices. Use the battery graph to track its operation. If it's reached a full charge and there's still significant solar production available later in the day, or high levels of grid export, it may imply that you have enough production potential to charge more batteries. This is especially true if your existing battery capacity isn't sufficient to meet all your nighttime energy requirements, for example. If they're available in your region, add more SolarEdge smart home products, such as an EV charger, smart sockets and switches, or a water heating device to further increase your household solar usage and drive down your electricity bills. Want to learn even more mySolarEdge tips? Check out our YouTube channel for more mySolarEdge tutorial videos.